we'll start at class 1, and it's broken up into two areas, class 1A and class 1B. And in class 1A, there's two different building types, if you like. So class 1A1 is your single detached dwelling, whether it's single story or two story. So standalone, one owner, one occupier, detached dwelling. So that's 1A1, class 1A1. You then have 1A2, which is similar, but it's a attached dwelling. So in this case, we've got a duplex separated by a firewall. So anything that's attached, that's 1A2. And that can also include your multi-story or two-story buildings. And it can also be a row of townhouses as well, as long as each dwelling is one family residing in there, and they're separated by firewalls, then they're classified as 1A2. Now 1AB, class 1B is still the same types of buildings or dwellings. It's just the way that it's used that differs. So if these dwellings are being used as a boarding house, a guest house, or a hostel, and they're less than 300 square meters or less than 12 people staying in that building, then they're classified as class 1B. All right, so that's class 1 covered off on. We then go to